its global reach, opening stores in cities around the world and partnering with international retailers to distribute its products. Tommy Hilfiger's success in creating a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication is also due to its strong brand identity and recognition. The brand's iconic logo, featuring a flag with the letters H and F, has become instantly recognizable around the world. This recognition has helped the brand expand its global reach and attract new customers. Another factor in Tommy Hilfiger's success is its ability to create a sense of exclusivity and luxury around its products. The brand's limited edition collaborations with popular artists and designers have created a sense of excitement and anticipation among customers, who are eager to get their hands on these exclusive products. This strategy has helped the brand maintain a sense of exclusivity and luxury, even as it has expanded its product offerings and become more accessible to a broader range of consumers. In addition, Tommy Hilfiger has been able to stay relevant by tapping into emerging fashion trends and cultural movements. For example, in recent years, the brand has embraced the trend towards more sustainable and eco-friendly fashion by introducing a line of clothing made from recycled materials. The brand has also partnered with emerging designers and artists to create limited edition collections that reflect the latest trends and cultural movements. The brand's commitment to sustainability and social responsibility has also helped it attract a loyal following of environmentally conscious consumers. The brand's initiatives to reduce its environmental impact and support social causes have resonated with many consumers who are looking for brands that align with their values. Finally, Tommy Hilfiger's success can also be attributed to its strong leadership and management team. The brand's founder, Tommy Hilfiger, has been involved in the fashion industry for over 4 decades and has a deep understanding of the market and its trends. The brand's management team has also been able to adapt to changing market conditions and make strategic decisions that have helped the brand grow and thrive. Tommy Hilfiger's success in creating a fashion brand that represents streetwear style and sophistication can also be attributed to its strong retail strategy. The brand has strategically positioned its stores in high-traffic areas in major cities around the world, making its products easily accessible to a broad range of consumers. The brand has also invested in creating a seamless omni-channel shopping experience, allowing customers to shop online and in-store seamlessly. Tommy Hilfiger has also been successful in creating a strong brand image through its advertising campaigns. The brand's advertising campaigns have been iconic, featuring models and celebrities that embody the brand's youthful and edgy aesthetic. The brand has also been successful in using social media to engage with its customers and build brand awareness. Another factor in Tommy Hilfiger's success is its ability to create a sense of community around its brand. The brand has sponsored several events, such as music festivals and fashion shows, that bring together like-minded individuals who share a passion for fashion and streetwear style. The brand has also created a sense of community through its social media channels, where customers can share their own Tommy Hilfiger-inspired looks and connect with other fans of the brand. In addition, Tommy Hilfiger has been successful in creating a diverse range of products that appeal to a broad range of consumers. The brand's product offerings include clothing, accessories, fragrances, and home goods, allowing customers to express their personal style and incorporate the brand into different aspects of their lives. Finally, the brand's commitment to innovation and experimentation has helped it stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced fashion industry. The brand has embraced new technologies, such as augmented reality and virtual reality, to create cutting-edge shopping experiences for its customers.